Interactive videos work for seminar-style discussion courses where you don't have problem-based learning. So what I do is I create a video, and every few minutes I put a question in that the students answer for participation marks, and those marks are automatically downloaded to the Moodle gradebook. So let's get started with interactive videos. This is a slide from my business class where I discuss factors that impact small business success. So I go into quite a bit of detail on each point, and then I ask the students a question. Now the question is formative, so the students can come back and watch the video again, this part, and then answer the question. This is not to assess the students, it's to keep them engaged in active learning techniques while they watch the video. So when you're ready, you insert the question. Some teachers find it easier to insert the slides with their questions at the end. Some teachers prefer to insert questions as they prepare each slide. So it's your choice how you want to do it, but this is a slide. It's a PowerPoint slide with the multiple choice question. When I'm finished producing all of my class and all of my questions, which are just slides embedded in the class, I'm ready to export to video and upload to Moodle for the interactive questions. In Moodle, as I insert the interactive question, this is what will pop up that the students will see. They can select their multiple choice question or answer and check to see if it's correct.
So now that your video is ready to upload to Moodle for the interactive questions, you log into Moodle. Here is a sample Moodle page. I have a section for course resources, and then I have a section for videos. So these are the links to each of my videos each week. Here's a link to the PDFs of my PowerPoints. And if you have an online homework component, this would be the link to the online homework, which is different from the interactive questions. So this is just a sample of, so you can visualize how you might want your Moodle page to look like. Now, I have to turn editing on in Moodle, and then I get my little icons on the side, and I have a little workspace that I'm using to create videos. So click on Add an Activity. You're going to add your video to your Moodle class. You select interactive content. I'm just going to call it multiple choice true false demo. And I'm going to click on this type. I'm going to say use an interactive video. That's what I'm going to create. There are 2 steps. You upload your video. So click on the plus sign to add a video. Click again on the icon. Select it. It's right here. As it takes about 15 seconds to a minute to upload, depending on the speed of your internet connection and the size of the file. So you can see at the bottom of the screen, it's giving you the progress and it's uploaded. Now, step 2, add interactions. And here's my video that I created previously. So I'm going to drag it because I know where my questions are. They're at the end. That's my true false at about 1:51. And my multiple choice is at 1 minute and 49 seconds. So I'm going to insert my first interactive question. These icons at the top are, you just hold your mouse and you can see true, false, multiple choice. So I'm going to put my multiple choice at 1:49. And I'm going to pause the video there. I want a poster size question rather than a button. That's my personal preference. You can choose whichever you want. A button means the students click on the button and the question pops up on their screen, opens up on their screen. I like a poster size question because sometimes the students miss the button and keep watching the video if they're distracted. Now, if I look at my PowerPoint, I already have my questions inside, so I'm not going to type the question. I'm just going to put a few blank spaces. And my text for my first answer is here. I'm going to say offer more personalized service, copy, paste. And this is the correct answer, so I'm going to select it as correct. Then my next answer will be bigger is always better. By the way I copy paste is I Control C to copy, go into my new space and say Control V as in Victor, and that inserts it. It is faster to use the keyboard. I'm going to add a third option, and that's going to be businesses with potential. I'm going to Control C to copy it, Control V to insert it, and then I'll close this up so it's easy to see. These are my three answers, and the first one is the correct answer. Now I'm going to go to behavioral settings to customize certain things that I want to do. I want to enable retry. I'm going to unclick show solution. I'm going to give 1 point for the whole task, because if you don't click this, it will subtract 1 for wrong answers. And I will randomize the answers, and I will not require an answer if the student chooses not to. And I will show score points. Okay, so that's done. Click here, stretch it so it covers the original PowerPoint answers, like that, and this is what the students will see. And then we'll go to and you can see there's a little purple circle here that shows there was an interactive question here. So later on when you have a video, you're going to see purple circles all along. Okay, now let's go on, and we'll go like this. Here's the true false, it's at 150. I'm going to insert the true false here at 150 to 150. Pause the video. I'm going to have poster size. Again, I'm just going to hit the space bar a few times, and I happen to know that this is the correct answer is true. I will not allow retry on true false questions for obvious reasons, nor do they need to see the show, because it will be automatically checked. If they're right, they know the answer. If they're wrong, they know it's the other, and that's it. So go to the top and say done, and then save and display to watch what the students will see. So you click on save and display, or save and return to your Moodle page. So this is what the students would see when they click on the link. They would press play here or here. So let's just press play, but I'm going to move you very quickly to just before the interactive questions so you can see. Video. So this is, the video has paused so the student can answer the question. And I'm just going to click this one. I know it's wrong. Click check, and it lets me retry again. So I'll click retry. And if you didn't notice, the questions are randomized, so they don't always come in the same order. But this is the correct answer. Offer personalized, more personalized service. So check. It gives me my mark. As a student, that's very satisfying. And I continue. And I get my true false question. In this case, I don't get a retry, so I'll just say true because I know that's the correct answer. I get it, and I can continue on. So that's what the students will see with their multiple choice and true false interactive questions. For you as the teacher, the results are automatically downloaded to your Moodle gradebook as participation marks or whatever type of marks that you put on your course outline.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope it will help you create interactive questions, and you'll have lots of fun doing it. There are many types of interactive questions, and I will do it in another video. So enjoy, and if you have questions, contact me at jwong@dawsoncollege.qc.ca.